What's absolutely essential about any additional recovery package is that we have the kind of pro-growth policies that President Trump's been advancing. Look, we're gonna be there for families to see them through. The president said early on, and I'm sure he'll reiterate in just a few moments today from the White House, that we're going to do whatever it takes to get the American people through this pandemic, and we've done that. We'll continue to do that for families and small businesses, particularly businesses that have been severely impacted in our inner cities, including businesses that have been subject to rioting and looting in recent days. But what has to be there, this president believes, is we've got to have a payroll tax cut. We've got to have the kind of pro-growth policies that will continue this economic recovery. You know, the only thing that could slow this economic recovery is if Joe Biden and the Democrats won the election this November and brought about their higher taxes, their war on coal, their Green New Deal, and all the policies that President Trump has been pushing back on. And that's the choice the American people will face in November. But today what you see is the strength of the American people who have heeded this president's guidance. We put the health of the country first. The mitigation efforts work. Our recovery and relief plans work. And the president's guidelines to states across the country to reopen America are working. Now, all 50 states are reopening their economy, and you see the evidence of that in these numbers today.